we have an algebra problem here, and the first step to solve such kind of problems is usually to visualize a problem. And I created this for you, where we have 3 boxes. One of the boxes represent 18% acid solution. The second box 23% acid solution, and on the right it's result. It's 20% acid solution with amount 10 liters. And then we have a few question marks that represent what we are going to find. So the next step obviously will be to introduce 2 variables, x and y, and x will stay for the 18% amount of total amount in liters for the 18% solution, and y will be the same but for 1/3. And as you can see here, just introducing these 2 variables, we can easily create our first equation. Because when we mix them together, we have 10 liters as a result, so we can obviously say x plus y equals 10. Now, it's not enough to solve, to find x and y. We have 2 unknown variables and just have 1 equation. So we need to find a second equation, and it's not quite obviously maybe for the first time to look at. But the important step here is to recognize that we do have some additional information related to the total amount of acid in the resulting solutions. So this box on the right clearly says that in 10 liters we have 20% of acid. So we almost automatically can see that the acid in the result solution will be 2 liters. And if so, we do understand that these 2 liters came from these 2 different solutions, and we know the total amount, but we still don't know the amount of acid here. But we can apply the same techniques as we did here. You know, the 20% is 1/5 of the 10 liters. So here we just need to say what we will 0.18 of x, where x is the total solution, the total amount. And the same we do for the second one, which 0.23x. So this is really important piece to understand, that this small rectangle that I put a kind of red lines here is a total amount of acid in this solution. And now we have a second equation, which is right here at the bottom of the screen. So we have acid here plus acid here, and it has 2 liters which acid here. So this one plus it will be result. Now with these 2 equations we can easily solve it. We have equations x plus y equal 10. That's the second equations. We just can solve it over x. I just want to get rid of the y, so I multiply this, and then I subtract the second equation from the first one, and I got 0.05x equals 0.3, which give us solution for the x. 18% acid solution will be 6 liters, and y will be 10 minus 6 equal 4. So that's it. This is a small little algebra problem, but it does have some challenges to figure out. If you enjoy this video, thank you very much for watching. Bye.